Once it was just a van. This van has seen the world. Now, after decades on the road, it's time for a second life. This is the story of transformation. This isn't just a restoration, it's the beginning of a new adventure.
Now you can clearly see the 3 stages of our renovation. So here is the future part, the most ready one, with the thin insulation on the walls and with the metal frame and with the flooring, with the beginning of it. And here is the current stage of our renovation. So no floor, but the frame, the metal frame of the vehicle is painted and the walls are also painted and prepared for the further work. And this is the past part with no renovation, looking ugly, but soon it will be also renovated.
We begin by installing 6mm Armaflex insulation. Next, we plan and mark where the metal profiles will go and start assembling the structure. The first element we built is the toilet box. From the time lapse, you can see how many times we test fitted it, cutting a little more each time. It was our real initiation into building.
So we still didn't receive our water tank, a new water tank, because the previous one appeared to be too big, and that's why we cannot follow this line and make a floor like lay profile on the floor. And right now we are more focused on this toilet slash box here. So making this structure, and we're gonna cover it with lists of metal, with prof lists. I don't know how they're called really, but you'll see. Yeah, so that's the plan for today, and hopefully we'll receive our water tank today, and we're gonna install it also today or as soon as possible, because we are really stuck on that.
So here is our toilet box, and we have been working on it for about 2 days, 2 full working days, and finally, after so many measurements and cuttings, it's about to be finished from the outside. So here I'm planning the last piece, which will be something like that. Yeah, and hopefully we will finish with the outside of this beautiful toilet box. Look at that.
So that's the end result of yesterday day of work. I think it looks nice. I'm just going to paint it from the outside with the same black paint which we use for the frame.